understood. I'm gonna stand up for my wife, but I'm right on it. So I understood. I don't know what you said. Nobody can make me think that anything you did was wrong. You said one of the words because I was right there.
They're making a face now.
9 years old, and he is the sweetest kid. Is there anyone that you had?
I think my nose is right here, my mouth.
He died of and I was being the bitch when she said because I had heard what said it was what I had heard what your man did, and she had said he died. I'm about what and I got sent to the home because I'm like, oh, he said shit. He ain't had enough to so I don't bring truth. Say my Jackson said, but I'm so upset. Like, oh man, so family was there. Like that.
We're turning this Greenville work into a $30,000 RV. And today we go luxury first dance, but it's sliced on sandwich. Dollar Tree isn't really $1 anymore, but I just found some real $1 deals that just arrived. In fact, I just went through all the new arrivals at Dollar Tree in July 2026 and found new best deals and also some stuff. It's just leave on the shelf. Let's go. This is the brand new blue collection at Dollar Tree. And I got a couple of buys for you here, and the do not buy as well. So I want you to buy part of the blue collection, but not all of it. Come on in. It's a buck, guys. This is one of the dollar deals that I just found for you. So these are real ceramic plates, very high quality, really, really good. You can see the blue trim. They also have the blue plates as well. After all, this the blue collection. Blue, by the way, huge in July 2026 at Target. Their blue collection, it goes $6 to $8 a plate. Same kind of ceramic. So get it here for just $1, 8 times cheaper. Come on down. They also have the bowls, just equally good quality. Weirdly enough, the charging plate, this is plastic. So just FYI, they're trying to mix in the ceramics with the plastics, but it's just a charging plate, but it's plastic. Just so you know, the vases, these are real glass, really high quality. So I'm saying get all of this stuff. But here's what I don't want you to get into the collection. It's the pot holders, the dish towels, and also the placemat. This is really, really scratchy. You shop at Dollar Tree, you're an insider, you know. Not great quality on this stuff. Very scratchy, very thin. Same with the pot holders. Dollar Tree, do alert. This checker pattern, everyone wants this. Mackenzie Childs is the name brand manufacturer that makes this travel mug. Theirs is steel, it goes for $60. Dollar Tree knocked it off. This one is plastic, and it goes for 1/40th of the price. The Mackenzie Childs one goes for $60. This goes for $1.50, 4 times cheaper. This is plastic, but there's a benefit of that. The Mackenzie Childs one is steel, and you can't microwave stuff. You can't heat soup up. With this one, you can. It's microwave safe. I want to show you a little microwave safe icon right over there. Also, a lot of you asked in the comments, this is also BPA free. It has a little snaps on it. Again, you can heat stuff. It's not as good a quality.
Dishwasher safe, freezer safe, microwave safe, and oven safe. On price, this is $6 for 6 1/4 cups. This is $6 $6 here. Pyrex for just 6 cups.